We're back with another video. We're gonna do a quick market update, look at some of the things going on in the market, both the NFT market and the crypto market. I also have some really interesting upcoming mints to talk about, as well as some of the already existing projects that I'm pretty excited for. So I hope you enjoyed the video. With that said, let's just dive straight into it. So checking out Magic Eden, we are sitting at 124,000 Solana traded volume in the last 24 hours. Not bad. And we are also seeing some really good floor price movement. Solana Monkey Business pumping like crazy this last day. DeGod's back above 300 Solana. I recently picked up a DeGod's for 258 Solana, already up well over like 50 Sol, so I'm pretty happy with it. Lily has retraced a little bit back to like 7.75. I have picked up a few Lilies as well as ovals as well from Elixir. Famous Fox Federation is pumping, Cats on Crack is pumping, so there are still a lot of opportunities in the market, which is what we love to see. Of course, a lot of great price action. So even though the crypto market isn't looking too hot, we are still seeing volume in the Solana NFT space, and people are still active. The community is still here. The vibe is surprisingly good considering everything going on, so I'm pretty excited. I'm still having a lot of fun in the market, and I see a lot of opportunities in this market. We are also seeing some interesting news going on, such as Magic Eden implementing Polygon NFTs really soon, which should be really interesting. Crypto market obviously still isn't at the best spot. Bitcoin is back to like 16.5k after being down at like 15.5. Solana is back to $14 after almost reaching 11, so not horrible. I mean, we are still far away from where we were before everything that happened, of course, but back a little bit, which is what we like to see. Obviously, I'm not really sure if we have reached the bottom yet. I'm not accumulating too much yet. I will probably start to pick up some more crypto soon, just start DCAing. I definitely don't think this is a bad place to start DCAing, but I'm not necessarily 100% sure if we have reached the bottom quite yet. I did also recently tweet this, like, these 5 projects are currently my 5 biggest conviction bets of already existing projects, just teams of builders that I believe in long term. We have DeGods/Utes, we have Ubik, which you know that I'm a huge fan of, we have the Fracture or Sol Gods. Sol Gods has also been pumping recently, which is really cool to see. They went from like 11 Sol up to now 17, which is really cool. They also recently released merch. I might try to pick up a hoodie myself. They look really cool, so I really like the Sol Gods team as well. They're just builders and they're gonna definitely be here long term. Liberty Square as well as Castle or the Kings. I am also looking to pick up some more long-term plays, not exactly sure which ones yet. I got some good recommendations in this tweet right here, so there are still projects that I am really bullish on long-term in this ecosystem. Now taking a look at some upcoming mints happening this upcoming week, we first of all have Ape16C. This is a really hyped and anticipated mint, minting on November 30th. As you can see right here, I personally got whitelist, which I'm really happy about, so I'm definitely gonna mint this one myself. They currently have 12,000 followers, 261 mutual followers. They did also recently announce their very first startup that they will be working with, which is Studio 3 NFT. I recently had a call with the founder of Studio 3 as well, which was really interesting. And Ape16C just has like a stacked team. They have so much experience, so many huge advisors and just smart people in the space as well. So Ape16C is just a team that I'm definitely betting on long term, and it's definitely a project that I will be minting this upcoming week. Other than that, we have Yomi by Rogue Studios. They were supposed to mint on November 21st, as you can tell, but they are now minting on November 28th. I believe they told me that they can't change the name because they are verified or something like that, so they can't change this minting November 21st name, which kind of sucks. But they are minting this upcoming week, November 28th. I did feature them in last week's video as well, so I'm not going to go too much into detail on this one, but another pretty interesting project happening this upcoming week. We also have Wise Whales minting on November 29th, which is another interesting project. Not all whales are the same. For the Wise Whales, all posts are for educational purposes, not financial advice. Basically, their core utility is that they will find every whale wallet on Solana with DeFi and NFTs, and they will share all of the data and the trades and stuff that these different whales are doing with their NFT holders and their community. We do also have this project called Cyberize minting on November 28th this week. Shape Your Future minting at 4 p.m. UTC via the Magic Eden launchpad. They have 14,000 followers, over 100 mutual followers. One thing that I'm not so sure about though is that the whitelist price is 3 Solana with a huge supply of 8,888 with a public mint price of 4 Solana, even though the public mint price is dynamic, and I'm guessing this will drop quite a lot because in this market with this project, I see literally no way that this project will sell out with such a huge supply at 4 Solana. But we're yet to see. Obviously, they might prove me wrong, who knows, but I'm definitely not interested in minting this project for 4 Solana. This is basically their artwork. It looks okay. I do think some of these characters look really good. This one, for example, I think looks really cool. So this is for sure another interesting project, even though I'm probably not gonna mint this one myself. So those are kind of the most interesting mints happening this upcoming week. In my opinion, Ape16Z is by far the one I'm most excited for. The market isn't looking too bad. There are still a lot of money opportunities in the space. I might be interested in starting another 10 to 100 Solana trading challenge. If you're interested to see me do that in kind of a bear market, I think that could be a really interesting challenge. So let me know down below in the comment section if you want to see that, or if there's any other specific content you'd like me to make. I'm basically open for anything at this point because there's not that much interesting stuff happening in the market. So I'm literally open for any alternative NFT content. But with that said, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash a like, subscribe down below as always. Check out my Twitter, my Discord, my Patreon down below in the description as well. All of the projects covered in today's video is also linked down below in the description if you want to check them out further. Now with all that said, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.